hours. What?
Weather message. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, Indiana, and Westmoreland, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Indiana County and West Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Westmoreland County and Southwestern Pennsylvania, Southern Armstrong County and West Central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Leechburg, Four-Year Bandit Road, moving at 600 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Source, radar.
Static, man.
Crooked Creek Lake Park, also an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh radio page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties.